welcome to another vlog. And today I woke up pretty early as compared to other weekends. Today is Saturday and I did clean my pantry up because it was getting out of control. Now it's all nice and organized, so I'm super happy about that. Anyway, today I received a very exciting shipment, which is a rug for my living room. It took quite a while because everything was out of stock, and previously I had a rug in different size, but I feel like that one was not going well with the space, so I ordered another size and hopefully that looks better now. And also I've got olive tree. There was a great deal going on, so we are going to open both of the packages today and hopefully set the living room. I still have to get throw pillows for the couch. Right now whatever I had it from my previous place, so we are just working with that until I find something which is perfect for this space. And hopefully the size of the rug I ordered this time fits perfectly. And yeah, I'm super excited to spend next few days with you all. Alright you guys, so this is done and I feel like this looks super nice as compared to previous one. I totally forgot to take the clips of the previous rug. So this rug is 11 by 11 and the previous one which we had was 10 by 14, so it was like pretty large over here, which I was skeptical about. Yeah, as you can see over here, we just kept the front legs of the couch on the rug and bottom part here. And I really like this brand. I got this one from Amazon and I'm gonna link this exact one down in the description. This one comes in multiple size and the quality is really good. As you can see, the knotting is like really tight and really a good one. So yeah, and then this is how the whole space looks. I still have to get a nice throw pillow. That is what I had from previous place, so I'm just using it, and a nice throw would be really nice. And about this olive tree, I have another one, so we will decide on what we are keeping here, otherwise this will go upstairs. So let's unbox the new olive tree. Up and I feel like it's little too small for this space, so I'm gonna place the original tree which was there. I still do not like that one as well, so yeah, the hunt continues. But then this one I'm gonna keep it in my bedroom, so let me just replace this with the previous one and we will keep searching until we find the best one.
This is as good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel the sun on my skin,
Alright, got myself ready. This dress is from Amazon. It's super cute and it has a cute little tie in the back. So I'm gonna link this if you are interested. The mess over here, I'm gonna clean this right now. And this year I'm thinking I should decorate for fall. I have never done that before, so that makes me excited. So before that, I thought let me just go through my clothing items and see what I'm not using, maybe donate it or sell it. So yeah, we'll do a little closet refresh and clean this bathroom right now. Okay, so these are the clothes I'm gonna be donating, and these are few bags. So yeah, we'll see when I get time, but I have just separated this so that it's out of the way. Wanted to show you two new bags which I got. This is first one I showed you in a fashion video. This is so cute. Love the color and the structure. I really like this broad strap over here, but it's so pretty. It's quite spacious as well. I got this few months back, so yeah, it's super pretty. And the next one I got, this one I got recently. This one is from Coach, and this one is brand new. I haven't took it out and haven't used it yet. So this is how the bag is. It's super pretty. I absolutely love the color, and this one also has like broad shoulder. You can wear it as is or like a cross body bag as well. Of course, it's not going with this dress, so I just thought of sharing. If you're looking for a nice good quality bags, I'm gonna definitely link this one and this one out in my description box. And right now I have few work to finish, so we will have some laptop time right now, and then we'll see. Maybe we'll bake banana bread later in the evening. So yeah, let's do that. So last week I got bananas and they were pretty ripe, so the condition right now looks like this. So I figured the best thing I can do is to bake a banana bread. So that's what we are going to do, and I'm gonna write the recipe in my description box. I've been following that recipe for quite some time now, and every time the bread comes out perfect. So yeah, I'm gonna write that and let's get baking.